What's going on, everybody? I hope y'all having a great day, because I'm about to have an awesome day. If you can see behind me, the exhaust from Japan finally came in for the Silvia, and I'm about to go ahead over and install it today. As y'all can see, it's freaking huge. It's almost as tall as me. I didn't even get a chance to take it out of the box or anything. I gotta head over there like right now, because honestly I'm wasting time. The lady said I had to be there for 8:45, and it's like 8:22. They open at 9. It's first come first serve, so I'm just gonna speed over there. It's about like 30 minutes away. Didn't even get a chance to unbox it. Probably unbox it over there if I get there early enough, or if I'm in line waiting so you guys can see it. But this thing is massive. I don't even know how I'm gonna fit it into this little Silvia, because it definitely won't fit in the trunk. I tried taking some stuff out, you know, that's for work obviously, but it's not gonna fit back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to stuff it in there. All right, guys, she's in. You can see her over there. I'm gonna head there right now. A lot of you are probably wondering, why don't I just do the install myself? Well, I don't have any of the tools to do that, unfortunately. So if I did have the tools to do it, I would have done it myself. And I might get the cats taken out depending on the sound. You know, I want it to be on a little bit of louder side, but still sound good at the same time. So we'll just see what happens when we get over there. I got the box and we're all set to go. So I'm gonna see y'all over there. Sorry guys, pulled up at the shop. I've already talked to everyone. They know the deal. They're pulling it in right now. I think I was like the first one here. They got the exhaust in the car. She's pulling away from me because I couldn't do it myself. I don't have the tools. I told them I'm thinking about getting the cats removed, so we'll probably go ahead and do that. But there she goes. All right, guys. So we're finally unboxing the exhaust. I'm with my boy Chase here. Chase is giving me a hand. Yeah. Shout out Chase. Thank you so much, man.
No problem.
So we got it right here, guys. So the exhaust is straight from Japan. It's a Blitz Nur Spec R exhaust. It took a couple days to get in. You know, I had it shipped over here pretty fast. Thanks to Right Hand Drive Japan, they did a good job at, you know, getting in touch with me, letting me know where it was at, and getting it shipped out pretty fast. And now I'm here at Best Muffler Shop. You know, I heard they do great work, and like I said, I'm here with my boy Chase. He's gonna help me get it done. We're just unwrapping the exhaust right now. Okay, we spoke to Chase and the other guys. We're gonna go ahead and cut out, take out the cats, get some new piping in there. We're gonna take out this old resonator, and they've got a MagnaFlow resonator. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in instead. And pretty much brand new piping from the cats all the way back to the new MagnaFlow resonator and the Blitz exhaust, which is sitting over there. They've been doing a super awesome job helping me out. You guys are really nice. Coming up with a fair price. So if you guys need any exhaust modifications or mufflers, or you have any problems at all, definitely come to Best Muffler Shop here in Las Vegas. They're doing a great job, great prices, great people. You guys should definitely check them out. Best muffler shop. Hey, they do a good job, guys.
Best muffler.
Yes, sir. Let them know. Talk to them. I hope the Zenki sounds good. Not like a V8, but I hope it sounds good. Now we're just waiting for the Zenki. They finished the 5.0 and they finished the scat pack. But of course, the Zenki needs work. But it's all gonna be worth it. Well, I hope so, man. I hope it really comes out good. Like, I'm actually excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I'm gonna cool down. I'm gonna be good. So now that I'm waiting for the Zenki to finish, I just remembered. Shout out to the dude that told me my car sounded electric, because now it will not sound electric anymore. I was pulling into the car meet right next to all the other 240SXs, and dude said to me, "Is that electric swapped?" Well, no, it's not. And it wasn't even funny. It was kind of funny. I wasn't even mad. I laughed it off. But now the Zenki will sound good. Won't sound electric. So now when I go to the meets, I better get some love. And I wish I knew where that dude was, because I would tell you, look at it now, baby. She's finally coming down, boys. Finally coming down. Man, I can't wait to see what it sounds like. We're about to find out. Oh, I hope it sounds good. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that it sounds good. Go ahead, Chase. Do what you gotta do. I'm ready. Oh, here we go, everybody. But I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of before and after so you guys can kind of gauge the way it sounds. I don't know if camera will do it justice, but stay tuned. Yep. Nice and deep, just how I wanted it. Woo! Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Is that my car? Is that my car? I think that's my car. I'm pretty sure that's my car. Like, almost positive that's my car. It sounds so good. Hell yeah. Oh my God. If it was turbo, I know it would sound crazy if it was turbo. Hey, you did a good job, Chase, man.
Like it?
Appreciate it. It sounds so good, bro.
Like it.
Hell yeah. All right, everybody. I'll get back to you. I'm gonna go inside and do what I gotta do financially, but I'm gonna see you in a second. All right, so it's gonna be first start up in the car, and let's see how it is. Woo! It's got a nice deep growl. I don't have anywhere to mount the camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull into like an open lot or something so I can get some clips for you guys, and then maybe see if I can mount this somewhere in the car so you guys can get my reaction and see a little bit of inside the cabin. But it sounds so good. Here, let's give it a little rev. Oh, it sounds good. It sounds good. So y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody. I'm back at like Beliago parking garage, I think it's called. And the Sylvia sounds so good. Oh my gosh. It's bliss. It's perfect. It's better than I expected. I wish I had like a GoPro or something mounted to the Sylvia, which I'll try to invest in, so you guys could have got like a reaction while I was driving over here, but it was nothing but smiles. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a real taste of what it sounds like. I know you guys hear that. It sounds so good, man. So just a quick rundown of what I guess I actually did, or what I didn't do, but what Chase did over at Best Muffler Shop, which I'm telling you guys was it was an extremely great price for the work that they did. They went ahead and put 3-inch piping from the cat. They took out the cat, so replaced the cats with 3-inch piping all the way down to the resonator. From the resonator, I didn't want it to be too loud, so I went ahead and I let them install a MagnaFlow resonator that they had there. So we went ahead and did that. And then from the MagnaFlow resonator, more 3-inch piping all the way to the Blitz Nur Spec R exhaust, which sounds so freaking good. It's crazy because all the videos on YouTube that I saw about the Blitz exhaust, they were all old and outdated, so the audio quality wasn't good, and I really didn't know how to gauge how nice the exhaust was going to sound. So I kind of went ahead on a limb and ordered it, and I'm so happy that I did. It was a Christmas present from my mother, so thanks, Ma. No, I appreciate you. You're the best. It sounds awesome. The car sounds great. So now I'm gonna do some pull-bys, some flybys in the parking garage, and see what you guys think. Make this up. I can't make it up. It sounds awesome. So the next thing, probably wheels. I think wheels is next. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below on what you think the next mod should be for the S14. I'm thinking wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and get some pulls on the strip, see if I can mount the phone anywhere to get some more clips from the cabin. So I'll see you in there. All right, so this is kind of the best I could do. I'm gonna have to get like a phone mount so you guys can have a better view. When I'm driving, but this will do for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the middle section of the parking garage so we can get some pulls inside there, mimic a tunnel or whatever. Let's go down here, and I think there's like low-key some pops coming out of it. You know, some little rumble in the back, little burble. All right, everybody. Got dark in here. Let's go ahead and let's get a pull in. Woo. 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 Oh yeah. Let's see that again. Oh man. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. Oh my God, I'm so happy with the way it came out. Let me get out of here before I get in trouble. All right, guys, so I'm gonna head to the strip before I get in trouble in the parking garage. Just get a couple more pulls from the strip, and just so you guys can see how it is. But if you're in the market for a Blitz exhaust for your S14 or your 240, highly recommended. Definitely recommended. Man, I can't wait. I can't wait for the first meet to pop up with my new exhaust. See if anybody looks. I'm pretty stocked still, but the exhaust sounds amazing, guys. I'm so happy with it. my God. Ah, there's cops up there. But one more pull after this light goes. Just one more, but there's cops up there. Everybody love the Zenki. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think of the new exhaust, man. I'm happy with it. But all right, guys, that is gonna be it for today. It was an awesome time. The Zenki sounds great. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. Driving with the Zenki for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to let me know what mod you think I should do to the Zenki next. I'm thinking wheels are next for the Zenki. So go ahead and let me know what mod you think I should do next to the Zenki. And also, if you say wheels, let me know what wheels I should get for the Zenki. But like I said, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Take care.